Patients come to me for so many different reasons, and the spectrum of patients makes aesthetic medicine so interesting. But there's very often a common theme. So patients look in the mirror and feel like something has changed, but they cannot put their finger exactly on what that is. Hearing a patient say, "I feel like myself again," is what makes this work so meaningful.
I feel so much better about myself. I think at times you feel as you get older that your personality changes a little bit, that you look very different. Not only do I look better, I feel better in myself. And yeah, confidence has really shone out again.
I think actually knowing that she was a GP instantly just makes you feel a bit more comfortable. But having spoken to her and having listened to the answers that she gave, I knew she knew exactly what she was talking about.
She always makes you feel at ease, and we have a good laugh and a chat, and she does her magic.
This is your face potentially that you are talking about, and you need to be really, really careful in who you choose.
I have over 10 years of experience in medicine, and patient safety and evidence-based practice is the centre of everything that I do.
I asked Dr. Rachel all the things I was worried about, and she put my mind at ease, and I just felt like, okay, now I'm in safe hands. I don't need to learn anymore because she knows it all.
I know that if something wasn't going to be beneficial to me, that she wouldn't do it.
I don't have to know the ins and outs of it. I just know she's never going to overdo the treatment. You can see from how Rachel looks, you know, she goes for a really gorgeous natural look.
Another thing patients often say, which always makes me smile, is that I look normal. And I know exactly what that means. And this is never about chasing perfection. It's about subtle, skillful treatments that restore harmony and improve a patient's skin health.
I felt for me that I'm doing something for me. I'm not being a mum, I'm not being a wife, I'm doing this for me, and I felt so much confident.
All my friends say my confidence has improved. My skin feels a lot healthier, and I quite often go out without any makeup on and feel completely comfortable.
Makeup becomes something fun to wear, not something that they rely on to hide their insecurities.
I felt old and haggard and just not very good in myself. Afterwards, it took about 8 weeks, but afterwards it was just, I felt fabulous.
So I'm married to a man who wouldn't notice if I came home with a new head. And even he has said that he's noticed that my skin is looking a lot clearer.
And I've definitely noticed the difference. It is insane.
It's made a real difference to my life, and I think, quite frankly, when you're happier with your own self, then you're happier in your life in general, so everybody benefits from it.
People genuinely were just thinking, you look really great, like your skin looks really great, what have you done? What skincare have you been using?
The most rewarding part of my work is seeing someone's confidence come back. When a patient looks in the mirror and says they feel like themselves again, that is absolutely everything.
I wouldn't even dream of going to anyone else. I wouldn't trust anyone else as much. I know that it works.
Every confidence in her, in what she can do. I would not ever go anywhere else.
And I always know that whenever I leave, I'm going to love the effect after. I'm going to love the look that she's achieved for me.
She's lovely, so it's a nice break from the kids and the, job and everything to come and have my treatments with her and have a little chat and a laugh.
Would trust her with my life.
I also love the relationships I build with my patients. Many follow their journey with me over months and years. I get to know their lives and their milestones, their worries and their little quirks.
I'm going to continue coming to see her because she knows what it is that I want. I feel like I can really trust her advice. And actually, she's just a really nice person to spend some time with.
I know that I'm going to be really personally well treated, very reassured, and I'm going to look fantastic when I come out.
The 3 words I would describe my experience with Dr. Rachel would be calm,
knowledge,
confidence.
In 3 words, I feel fantastic.